Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything that nails with you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here. Your support means a whole lot. In this week's video, we're doing a 4-week hard gel rebalance. I've shared with you guys previously that this client has weak brittle nails and she tends to pay nail tech and file the side of her nails whenever her nails curl. Now let me just say, it took some time for me to learn what works for this client. And even with me implementing these things, she has this habit that she's not going to just stop overnight. So does she still file her nails? Yes, guys. You all won't be able to see where she files because it be at the most random areas. And I'm just like, I know she touched it. So yeah, I'm doing my very best. And I'm just a nail tech trying to figure it out. I love working with natural nails, but there's only so much that I do when it comes on to the natural nails, manipulating the natural nails and working with their body chemistry. Each of my clients require a different service. So it's just like, oh wow. I am about to become a scientist. At this point, I put me in a lab so I can learn all there is to learn when it comes on to the natural nails, the anatomy, the chemistry, all of it. I'm ready to go in there. So yeah, but here I am using my medium barrel bit to exfoliate her new growth area, and I'm using this in both reverse and forward direction, and my RPMs is around 6,000 RPM, and I'm making sure all the dead skin is off her nail plate. For the design, we're going in with D&D purple pink on 3 of her nails, and then we're going in with some gel polish marbling. We basically put 3 to 4 colors on the nail, and then I went in with my dotting tool and I swirled the colors together. We cured them and top coat. Made sure to finish file before top coating. I've been doing that since and it makes the nail look so much cleaner. You guys know I love clean, neat nails, and that's my aim always. So I've been loving the finished look of my sets once I am done. If you're a nail tech watching this and you have pickers, let me know what you have implemented over time to help your clients stop picking. Or if you are a picker yourself watching this, let me know what you have done to stop yourself from picking at your nail tech work.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love.
Here I'm going ahead to dehydrate the nail. I'm going straight in with Young Nail Protein Bond. Then I'm going in with Accents Prescription Base Super Bond. And I am scrubbing this product on the nail plate. And then we're curing for 60 to 90 seconds. Once that is done, we're going in with our first bead of hard gel. And I'm applying it closest to our cuticle. I'm thinning the cuticle area out. And I'm applying most of the product to the free edge of the nails. That way I'm able to file up her natural nails from underneath once I am done. I'm also armoring the sides of her nail. I'm hugging them, guys, so she does not have any snagging whatsoever. So yeah, I don't really do much else to this client outside of her picking and the curling of her nails. I really do like working with her nails. I love seeing the transformation. So I just try to work with how her nails are and try not to change the structure of her nails. This is how her nails are naturally. So I work with what I have, and they always turn out beautiful, and she always loved them. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section about clients that are pickers, or things that you have implemented over time that has worked for you. Because we can implement all these things, but if the problem still remains, is it really you? I mean, we have to ask ourselves this. Is it really you? If you're doing everything possible and you know it has worked for others, but it's not working for some. So yeah. Let's chat in the comment section and let me hear your thoughts. And if you have any suggestions, please to leave them down in the comment section.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up
So here I'm applying my third bead of hard gel, and I am taking it all the way down the side of the nail, and I'm using the product to hug the left side of the nail because it curves all the way in, and I'm just doing that to make sure I have enough product on the side so when I go in to file the natural nails, I'm able to take up all the entire natural nails and I still have structure under there. It won't crumble, they won't chip because I reinforce the free edge of the nail to ensure the longevity of the set. So I'm doing the same thing for the pointer, and I will be armoring the size of the pointer because she did file just a little bit. So I'm just keeping it real with you guys. I find that when I do these videos, you guys don't get to see everything. It's condensed into 15 to 20 minutes. Now, if I was doing live like I used to, you guys will get to see more real uncut of what goes on when I'm working. I do a lot.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low.
Here I'm going in with my 180 grit nail file, and I'm just making sure the sides are nice and crispy before going in with my fine carbide bit. And I'm just using my fine carbide bit to make sure I don't have any lumps and bumps, and then I'll be flipping her hand over and filing up her natural nails. Now for this portion of the video, I did forget to press record. Go in with my needle bit to file away the natural nails from underneath just to make sure I don't have any problem. She is coming back in 4 weeks. After this, I think I'm going to switch her to every 3 weeks. With the summer months fast approaching, it was 103 here in Wisconsin today. If you're experiencing the heat wave right now, just stay hydrated, stay safe, and stay cool.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door.
Here I'm going in with my 240 grit sanding band just to make sure I don't have any scratches on the surface of her nails, and I'm making sure I'm cleaning up the sidewalls as well. Sometimes if the sidewall is not nicely flush or clean, once you apply your gel polish, you can see like ripples on the nail. So I just like to pinch the side of her nail just a little bit and make sure everything is nice and smooth, and I'm making sure the free edge does not have any hanging nails or anything like that.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know.
Here I'm going in with D&D 416, and it's pretty much like kinky. It looks similar, if not exactly like kinky pinky. So I am going on 3 of our nails. So 3 of our nails will have the solid pink, and then 2 will have the gel polish marbling. And again, I just swirled 3 to 4 polishes together and cure those, and went in with my top coat once I am done. You can also use a straw to do this. You can apply the gel polish inside the straw and flash it on the nails. You could do water marbling. You could put gel polishes in a cup with water and dip their finger inside. I find it easiest to do this method where you apply different streaks of or lines of polishes and then use your dotting tool and swirl them together. No marble design will be the same. So I say play around with the marbling. You could also use ink to do the marbling design. She really liked her nails. I liked how they turned out as well. And I did share this on my shorts and you guys seem to like it as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Finally had some time to just sit down, get my thoughts together and get my videos edited. I hope you guys found this tutorial to be helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, hype this video up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here. Appreciate you guys. And until my next one, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin.